What's going on, Tony and Ronnie? It's this your boy Tony and Ronnie. Today I'm making some darn meatballs. Meatball freaking subs. Who don't like meatball freaking? Let me calm down. I got the crock pot out. As you can see behind me, I got the goddamn crock pot. I don't feel like grabbing the big pan and doing all this, but I got the ground beef. Got me a good deal on it. For $17.37, you know you cannot beat that. It's originally $19, sometimes $25. What the fuck? But anyway, I decided to make it in the crock pot because I didn't feel like standing over the stove and just cooking today. I just wanted to throw it in the crock pot, throw the sauce in, and let that bad boy slow cook. So that's what I'm gonna do today. What you're gonna need? You're gonna need some steak seasoning, some chicken bouillon, and some garlic powder, man. So let's get this rolled up into some damn balls, bro. Oh yeah, and one more thing, y'all. I forgot. This is oregano. We're gonna add some oregano. All right, I'm finally done all those damn meatballs. Okay, now we're gonna do is we're gonna add a touch of butter to the crock pot. Get some butter, not a lot. Meatballs. All right, that was going to be a bad idea, just dumping them all in there because I didn't want them to get smashed, and that would have been a bad idea. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do it the right way, and I'm just gonna lay them in the pot one by one. Now I dump them all in there and they all get smashed, and I'm gonna be mad. So let me go ahead and throw all these freaking meatballs in here, man. God damn, why are there so many goddamn meatballs? All right, now for the sauce, I got some Chunky Garden combo Prego sauce. So we'll go ahead and add that sauce. Oh yeah. You're gonna add the second bottle. Bam! Throw your top on there and let that bad boy cook for about 2 hours, man. The meatballs is finally done. About 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And it smells so good, y'all. Look at these meatballs. Look at that. That is what I'm talking about. All right, so now we're just gonna go ahead and toast the buns, the bread, the sub rolls with some butter, so we can put these bad boys on a roll. Bam! And I also made some small ones too, because I know you don't like the big ones. Yeah. I made like bite-sized ones, bro. All right, so what I like to do, we got some Sargento. What is this? Mozzarella? Bam. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there. It's the good shit right here, y'all. It's that good shit. Look how soft this is.
And then once you put your cheese on, you can put it back in the oven and toast the cheese if you like. I don't know if that's what he's gonna do.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Of course.
But what I am gonna do is once you get your cheese on there, you want to get a little spoon like this, and you just want to dip in there, get some of that sauce. You just go over the sub real quick. Let it melt the cheese. Either way is fine. Bam. You can go with a little bit, and you can go with a lot, but that will do the job. Bam. Look at that, y'all. Meatball sub. Taste test. All right, y'all, let me get a taste test. I had to wait for this bad boy to cool down, but look at that. Look at that. You
like that?
It's good. All right, man, I'm going to go ahead and smash, man. Thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace out.